Today, we will show you how to set up your Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system using the Nighthawk mobile app. You can follow these steps for the MK62 and MK63 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 systems. Let's get started. Make sure you have removed all of your MK62 contents from the package. The contents you will need for your setup include the MR60 router, the MS60 satellite, Ethernet cable, 2 power adapters, one for your router and one for your satellite, a service-activated internet modem. If you have the MK63, you will have an additional MS60 satellite and power adapter for the satellite. To quickly tell the difference apart from your router and the satellite, you can first check if your device has a QR code sticker on the front of the unit. Only your MR60 router will have a QR code that is used for installation. Another way to quickly identify the difference is to look at the ports on the back of the product. Your router will have an additional highlighted Ethernet port labeled Internet, while a satellite will only have a single Ethernet port. Now, download the Nighthawk app on your mobile iOS or Android device to start your MK62 installation. Open the Nighthawk app on your mobile device. Once inside the app, tap Trouble Connecting. Try a new system setup. Tap Nighthawk Mesh System. Tap Enable Camera and Scan. Tap OK. Position your camera over the QR code located on the front of your MR60 router. Your camera should automatically scan the QR code. If your camera does not read the QR code, then tap Connect Manually. Follow the instructions in the app to reboot your internet modem. When finished rebooting your internet modem, tap Next. Plug the provided Ethernet cable into your MR60 router's Ethernet port labeled Internet. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into your internet modem. Go ahead and plug any of the included power adapters into your MR60 router and connect it to a power source. Your router's light will begin pulsing white. Tap Next. Now, let's set up your satellite. Place your MS60 satellite near your router and connect your satellite to a power source with the remaining power adapter. Your satellite's LED will start pulsing white. Tap Next. Please wait while your router and satellite power on. When the app prompts that Nighthawk wants to join your Wi-Fi network, select Join to connect. Please wait while your router connects to your mobile device. Once your router is successfully connected to the internet, it will search for any active satellites. The lights on the front of the router and satellite will continue pulsing white while they attempt to sync. Once they have successfully synced, the lights will turn blue. If your satellite has any issues successfully syncing to your router, your satellite might show an amber light. Try moving the satellite closer to the router and try again. If still not working, try the following steps to fix the issue. 1. Unplug the satellite and move it closer to your router, then plug it back in. 2. Press the sync button on the back of your router. 3. Press the sync button on the back of your satellite. Repeat steps 1 to 3 for additional satellites. If your satellite is still not connecting to your router, then reset your router and satellite. To reset both your router and satellite, you must first have the units connected to power. Then, using a paperclip, press and hold the reset button on the back of the device for 10 seconds. If your router is showing an amber light, your internet connection to the router might not be active. Please check that your Ethernet cable is connected to your modem. Reboot your modem and try the setup in the Nighthawk app again. If your satellite still won't connect, please contact support. Once your router has successfully synced with your satellite, tap Continue. Tap Next to personalize your settings. We recommend you use your existing Wi-Fi network name and password for your mesh system, so all your devices will join automatically. Tap Next. Create your router admin login. Tap Next once complete. For iOS, you can choose to enable Face ID or fingerprint to log in faster to your router in the future. You can always enable this later. Input your security questions for password recovery. Tap Next once complete. Please wait while your settings are being saved. Tap Join to connect. If your router detects a new available firmware, we recommend that you update to the latest firmware so your mesh system will be up to date with the latest security and performance fixes. Tap Next once complete. Tap Join to reconnect your mobile device to your new mesh Wi-Fi system. The setup of your mesh Wi-Fi network is now complete. Place your satellite or satellites halfway between your router and an area with a poor Wi-Fi signal. Learn more about your Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system at netgear.com/support/product/MK62.aspx. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.